How to not get copyrighted on TikTok. So if you want to not get the copyright on TikTok, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to open up your TikTok application. After opening your TikTok, you need to go with your profile, which is on the bottom right. Now on your profile, you need to go with the top right, which has that 3 lines icon. And you can go with the creator tools section. And under creator tools, you can just simply go with the upper right, which has that settings or the gear shaped icon. And here you need to toggle on the option of video sound copyright check. Once you turn this option on, now whenever you post something, then it will give you a quick copyright check. Once you're done with this, now the other solution is while posting on TikTok, you can turn off the original sound and you can add some music or some TikTok sounds to it. And that way you'll not get the copyright on TikTok. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.